Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app and search Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and you will see turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1, 2, 3 times. You will see. After turn off flight mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling drain the battery on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.